You know, this is getting crazy, right? Tesla stock soaring, goes $900 a share. Elon Musk getting richer faster than any other billionaire so far this year, actually than anyone so far this year. To Point Bridge Capital founder and CEO Hal Lambert. Hal, what do you think's going on here? Is it justified?
Well, I think this decade is starting off as the Elon Musk decade is what's happening. I mean, his net worth's gone up $16 billion year to date. And by the way, the shorts have lost about $16 billion year to date. I mean, Elon Musk is laughing all the way to the bank, but he's also happy because mainly the shorts are losing, and he doesn't like to lose. I mean, Elon Musk is a winner. He's a killer from a business perspective, and there's few groups he's disliked more than these shorts that have been out there the last couple of years. And so I think he's really liking that. And so what you're going to see here is the shorts are still out there. There's not technically a short squeeze happening here, Neil. The borrow is out there. The shares are available. They're not being squeezed out. They're just losing billions of dollars as the stock goes higher.
But as it goes higher and has a market cap north of Ford and GM, you got to have to wonder, is it justified? You know, it is momentum. There's no doubt about it. But is it a little too crazy? I mean, I've talked to some investors, hey, I'm getting in because this thing has just, melt up all over it.
Well, it certainly does look like a melt up. But, can the valuation be justified? That's hard to say. Look, this kind of blows up the markets are efficient theory, doesn't it?
Yeah, it
does. A lot of
does.
people think the markets are efficient and you can't make money because it's efficient. Well, the stock is up over 100% year to date. And really, it's only had one kind of earnings report. So clearly, there's some inefficiencies going on here. And I wouldn't get in front of this. I mean, I certainly wouldn't jump out there and short it. You've got to be really ready to have a lot of pain if you're going to do that. And, we talked about Elon's wealth going up. There's some aspects to his compensation that if this stock continues to go higher, I mean, it's a ways away from where it is now. But he could walk away with $50 billion in compensation if the stock does certain things. So, Elon Musk this next decade is one to watch. He's the Thomas Edison of our generation. He's the cool guy in Silicon Valley. The other Silicon Valley guys want to be like Elon Musk, believe me. Jeff Bezos is worth a lot more, but he would love to be as cool as Elon Musk.
Well, certainly at the pace he's going, he could eclipse those guys if it were to maintain itself. What do you think happens then? It's got to slow down, doesn't it?
Well, you would think it's going to slow down, sure. You can't compound at this for very long. But again, you could have a pullback here and just kind of stall out, take a breath, and look up at the end of next year and still be higher than we are today in the stock. Valuation here is really tricky to call. People want to look at it from a valuation perspective. But, the Tesla car is really good. It's a really good electric car. He's in China now. That's the car that people want to buy. It's affordable for a lot of people. It's, the starting price point's now $35,000. That's affordable for a lot of people. And it's a better product than the other electric cars out there. So, where does this go? It could continue.
All right. Thank you, my friend. We'll watch it closely.